Let's go, go, go on a ride and enjoy this feeling inside. We're not sure what we will find, but we'll have a great time, so let's go see what we'll do and do it all, me and you. Welcome to Aaron Press the Button Parks.
Okay.
We're all wearing our Press the Button shirts.
Yep. It's day 4 at Cedar Point, our last day. We're gonna head back to do one more. What were you singing?
We're making our way to Steel Vengeance today, our last ride on Steel Vengeance probably.
Mommy's 4th will be our 5th. Although we don't want to jinx it, it might be down.
Yeah, that's true.
But it's a beautiful morning. The sun's
64
out.
degrees.
Yeah, sun's out. I don't think it's supposed to get too much warmer than this.
No, it's not.
So I'm not gonna do the water ride, but maybe Mommy.
If the raft ride is open, I think I want to do it with Aaron.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
You want to? Yeah.
And then our must-dos are this one, or Steel. Millennium Force, the museum for sure. We want to watch that video. We appreciate the park. We want to watch the history of it, so we're more knowledgeable. And Magnum, like to do that one too. Other than that, we're just gonna see what the day brings us. Well, off we go.
And we want to eat twice.
Yeah, we want to eat twice, not 3 times. All right, that was our Aaron and I's 5th and final ride on Steel Vengeance. Mommy's 4th. Gosh, I'm gonna miss this ride a lot. This is the busiest day of the weekend so far, well, that there is. Almost all the switchbacks in the normal queue are full when we got off the ride. But our wait was only like 40 minutes. That's
40
not too
minutes.
bad.
Yeah, that's
but
because the flash pass people aren't coming out.
Right. Yeah. But now it's got to be close to 2 hours. Wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
With all those switchbacks and the fast lane people slowing things down. If some place is open to eat, you want to eat?
Sure.
They might be open, and then we'll see what we get to ride. It's probably gonna be a busy day. We might be done with coasters depending on what the lines are like.
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see.
The course of history for this Lake Erie Peninsula. The switchback railway stood a then unbelievable 25 feet tall and reached the remarkable top speed of 10 miles per hour. Later, more well-known coasters would grace the Cedar Point skyline.
Whoa. Okay, you can put your hands down now. The ride's over. You should check out these. Well, later.
I saw some of the pictures. They're really cool.
No, the newspaper. Did you read?
No.
Yeah, I'll take it. Well, you guys aren't going to be able to read it, but we're really taking a relaxing Memorial Day. Too bad it's not Labor Day, because that's when you're really supposed to relax. Today, I'm celebrating those who served by looking at old-timey magazine newspapers and ticket stubs. So thank you for the troops for allowing me to do this. I mean, sincerely. That sounded insincere, but truly. I wouldn't be able to do this if, things were different. This is a fun museum to be in. Nobody's in here because everybody's riding on the rides. Except us. We've already ridden most of the rides we want to do. And if we don't go on another one today, that's fine by us. Cool clock. It doesn't work anymore though. This is actually a lot of fun. They have old arcade. I really like this one. How do you even play? Oh, you just do the Goalies, I guess.
Photograph of your future partner and family, portion of your married life. Future partner and family, portion of your married life.
The license bureau?
You put your quarter in, you get a picture of what your future husband's doing.
That's really strange.
Men's cars and women's.
I'd love to see these operational.
Popular comic strip characters, 32 different subjects, 2 colors. We got a coloring page. Take home a full set. Who the heck is this?
The yellow kid? That's very bad. Yeah. There's a lot of cool pictures on the other side of older Cedar Point. Back in their slightly racist and animal cruelty eras.
And then look at, this building still exists.
Which one? Where is it? Oh yeah, that's the Midway one.
It's arcade.
Yeah. Right.
Aaron wants to go see that in real life and see if it looks the same.
Okay.
It looks.
It's kind of nice. You can park your bikes in here.
What a beautiful day here at Cedar Point. The sky is so blue. There's not a cloud in the sky. The sun is shining. And it's nice.
Yeah, it is beautiful. Maybe it's in the mid 60s, upper 60s?
It's so nice.
It's
Like,
very
kinda
comfortable.
chilly actually.
Yeah. Will you go on the raft ride if it's open?
I would, yeah. But I don't know if it's
Yeah. Yeah, it is a beautiful day. Absolutely gorgeous. Oop. Alright, we went on Millennium Force. This time we were closer to the front. Yeah, I liked it a lot better the second time.
And a bunch of switchbacks are open now, and there's line that's super long.
Yeah, we got really
Because
good.
we went on and everybody follows us with our green shirts on.
Yeah, maybe that was it. But yeah, it was crazy. There was no switchbacks, and there's now 4. The line at least doubled while we went on the ride.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's insane.
Yeah. Well, you can't really see from here, but yeah, the line's decent. But something we're gonna try. If anybody knows if it works or not, please comment below. But I think we're gonna try the next Cedar Fair Point park we go to. I think we're gonna try using our picture pass just to see if we can, you know, if it's linked to all the parks.
Oh yeah, because with the dining pass being so wonky, maybe the picture pass is wonky too.
Yeah, we'll see. That's probably our last coaster.
Not going on Magnum?
Oh, maybe Magnum. We'll see what the line is. I forgot about Magnum. And we'll make our way around. Oh yeah, we have to do Woodstock. Okay. Gotta wait for the train, and then we're off again. See the line behind me for the train? Yikes. Alright guys, I came to a conclusion. For our 3-week road trip, we have to hope for 3 weeks of rain and thunderstorms.
They're in the forecast.
Right, exactly.
Like Saturday was fine for weather, and yesterday was even
was fine. We only had an hour of rain, and that's when we had Starbucks.
Right, exactly.
So we have to hope, yeah, because today is pretty busy.
Well, the forecast called for a perfect day too, like 60s and no rain and partly cloudy. Well, then everybody's gonna come because the weather forecast is good. Yeah.
So the lines for everything, just to get drinks and whatever, is pretty long. So we're gonna see what Magnum's is like, right?
Yeah.
All right.
And I do want another drink, but
okay.
Take a video of you saying it.
Yeah.
It's so busy today. There's even a line to look at the map.
Oh, it's yeah, and all the lines to get drinks are pretty full, or pretty busy, so we're gonna go into Forbidden Island. I always say, what's Forbidden Planet?
Forbidden Frontier?
Forbidden Frontier. To go to their drink area.
What is it called actually? Forbidden Frontier.
Forbidden Frontier.
Yeah. Gemini.
Yeah, the line was not too bad for that one, but
it wasn't that bad. Yeah. Well, I mean, it's fine. I don't
yeah. Oh, we just went on. I don't think they knew we went on Magnum XL.
We rode the front row.
Yeah, by chance. We didn't really want to.
It took like 15 minutes.
Yeah.
That's the funny thing. Some lines are super long, and then some.
Right, towards the middle and back. Yeah.
I don't get it.
I don't get it either. Why do you walk away? I don't get it.
But the thing is, I can't find a place where a short drink line is yet.
Yeah, not yet. So we'll have to go to Forbidden Planet.
I want to go.
Shannon's a thief.
We're so lucky that I'm walking by, asked Jason, do you have a quarter? He says no, but my token from Forbidden Frontier might work. And then I literally hear a ting, and I look at
You snatched it so fast.
Dropped a quarter.
Yeah, and you picked it
I
up.
waited for them to walk to see if they're gonna do it. They didn't, so I'm gonna go and get the few fish now.
That's theft. I should put, you're a citizen's arrest, right? Some kid is crying right now. They don't have their quarter.
It was out of the they turned around and looked and they didn't even take it.
Karma.
Karma. No fish. But I gave a quarter to Cedar Point.
That's what you get. Instant karma's gonna get you.
That's funny.
Okay, this is the only popcorn stand I've seen in the whole park, and it's a huge park. And it's not even, yeah, it's weird. That's really, really strange. I don't really see any churro carts either.
No,
Those are kind of ubiquitous too.
they have the funnel fry things, but
Yeah. Strange. Look at those two. It's been a really fun weekend. This is what it's been, just us walking around, laughing and smiling and talking. Doing what we love, exploring amusement parks. Thanks for watching. Oh, it's not over. That sounded like thanks for watching, but just thanks for watching. They've got their own raft. I know. Wow, they didn't get hit by the waterfalls. Huh. I was lucky. Yeah, this is our 4th day here. Well, our 3rd and, yeah, not even.
beginning of our 3rd, really.
Yeah, all things considered, and we're already smarter than the locals. We've been one step ahead of them the whole way. This section of Forbidden Universe?
Frontier.
Forbidden Frontier. They have a food and soft drink area. Nobody was there. There was a family of 3. Everybody else has long lines, and this is a nice place to relax. Quiet. Yeah.
Why are there not more people back here? What?
Yeah, shh, don't tell anybody. I did take a picture. I was taking a picture before that though.
Let's take one last look at Monster Jam Thunder Alley for all our viewers out there. You can ride in a Monster Jam truck over here.
I didn't notice the Monster Jam kitty litter area.
Kitty litter area?
Yeah. I forgot what it was, so I called it kitty litter. Sandbox?
Play with Monster Jam trucks. You can touch those Monster Jam tires. Monster Jam the ride.
Monster Jam the ride? Oh, over here.
Monster Jam the ride.
60 minutes. I wonder if it's included with park admission though. I think it is. Monster Jam, Thunder Alley. You just gotta breathe it all in.
There's Gravedigger.
Oh.
You can actually go inside the Gravedigger, guys.
Do you want to take a video inside?
No, that's okay. I'll let people that actually want to go inside go inside.
Yeah, you don't want to spoil it.
Well, if you're excited about Gravedigger, come here yourself and get inside Gravedigger.
Where?
Limited time only at Monster Jam. Say it.
Where are we?
Monster Jam Thunder Alley.
Oh, no. Once more with feeling.
Monster
Thunder Alley.
By Cedar Point. It is 3:15 Eastern Standard Time, Memorial Day 2019. We are leaving Cedar Point. It's pretty busy, but like again, we must have pixie dust floating around us because Subway had like next to no
We
line.
walked right up. There was, yeah, we walked right up to order.
And then Hugo's Italian Kitchen. Maybe there was 3 people ahead of me. Where all the other lines were super long.
Right, and we got drink. Yeah, just everything turns up for us.
I know. Except for when you find a quarter on the ground and you try to get fish food. Karma.
You didn't find a quarter on the ground. You stole a quarter from a little girl.
No, it wasn't. But anyway, we're heading for ice cream and heading on out. Adios.
We just passed the entrance a little while ago, but there's still a good line of cars to get in.
Insane.
Yeah, that's crazy.
We never even had to wait in line. I mean,
No.
It's not that backed up, but still.
No, it is pretty backed up.
Yeah, I mean, it is.
That's about 15 minutes.
I mean, it's 3:30 in the afternoon.
Right, well that's why you always do way before rope drop, like half hour, 45 minutes. Alright, on to ice cream. Hello. Hi, Froggy Jr. Hi. Alright, Ohio's oldest dairy. Wow. Aaron, press the button, gives it to you. All the nooks and crannies of our vacation.
I said this thing.
What?
We drove past this place every day
Yeah.
to Cedar Point and on the way back from our hotel.
I had one of these in Cedar Point actually.
Oh, that's true.
Cedar Point actually has this.
Yeah. And in you go. You get to see us go in and look at the rather generic place. Alright, that's a medium, and we actually ate quite a bit off it.
This is a kid's.
Yeah, that's- yeah.
We should have both had.
That's a small, yeah, we should have. Well, we didn't know how big the servings were. Aaron, what was that again? Cookie dough something?
Look here, Cookie Monster.
Oh, Cookie Monster. It's good? Cool. I better eat before it gets too more messy. Hi, Rick. Hit the record button yet again. Tiramisu. Aaron's doing homework, and we're enjoying the music of 1989. You might be asking yourself, why are we on a country road sitting behind a diesel carrying a bunch of cars? Well, the reason is, so you can't really tell. I won't zoom in.
Accident right there.
Yeah. Well, I'm not going to zoom in. By the time I zoom in, it's over. Miss Google told us to get off the freeway and go on the side street, and it'll save us 27 minutes. But I'm guessing that backed up even more. I bet you that's over 27 minutes. So another pro tip: even if you know where you're going, if it's a drive longer than 15 minutes, turn Miss Google on. She can save you some headaches, because we're going to be hitting heavy traffic at certain points anyway, so you can avoid it when you can by turning on Miss Google.
Yeah, because we were going to turn her off.
Oh yeah.
Because it says 250 miles to your next place, but it's like, no, I told them, just keep her on.
Yeah.
Never know, keep her on.
Right, exactly. Just because you know where you're going doesn't mean you know how to get there the best way, depending on all conditions. This ends this PSA. Well, I don't think it looked as ominous on video than it does in real life, but we drove through a pretty nasty storm cell. I guess there were tornado warnings early in the day for Cook and Will County, and now there were for Indiana. I think they're still on, because that storm's moving east pretty quick. But it was heavy, one of the heavier storms we've ever driven through on.
Well, not as heavy as that one time in Indiana on the way back from Tennessee.
Yeah. No, that was pretty bad.
This was pretty close, but at least it wasn't short spurts.
Yeah, that's true. It wasn't constant. But that was nice. It looks like the worst is behind us now. And we're about an hour and 32 minutes to home. If all stays the way it is now, which, who knows. But, yeah. That was stressful. Oh yeah, the sun's peeking out. Looks like the moon because of it's so... Yeah.
So circular.
the sun's coming in just to come into our field of vision. Nice. All right, we're all a little punchy from doing the long drive. Mommy desperately needed the Dunkin', and we desperately needed coffee and dogs because we're back home. We're about 5 miles away at Rand's Red Hots. So we got good old Vienna beef. Good trip? I can't believe we didn't stop at all on the way home except to briefly get gas. Yeah. Yeah. So.
Technically we're stuck right now though.
Well, yeah, but I think, not technically, but pretty much we're home. So, final thoughts about the trip? No, you don't have any final thoughts?
It was fun.
Your final thoughts? It was fun?
That's fun, but wow, Cedar Point is in no man's land.
Yeah, that's true. It is in the middle of Nowheresville, right? Okay, I'm hungry, so this wrap-up video is going to be short. Aaron, press the button to end our Cedar Point trip. What? Was that a... No, you didn't press it. You missed. There it is. Well, no, you missed it again.